XRP versus Bitcoin. All right. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this top, we mentioned about the different possibility, and also I mentioned it, there is a possibility this one can turn to flat in relative to this for price to drop. That's why I mentioned if you wants to wait based on lower, if you wants to buy based on lower time frame, we have to get a uh, trade setup, because if we refer to the Bitcoin, as we can see based on daily chart, the Bitcoin also could recover and retest the previous top, the top, I mean the top of this correction when I'm talking. But if we refer to the XRP, as we can see, it's still XRP at the lowest price of this correction. Okay, that's why we can see based on, if we refer to the XRP, Bitcoin, XRP versus Bitcoin, the price drop. That's why I mentioned we can expect this move turns to a flat for price to drop. I know the question is whether we can expect this one turn to similar to what we have here or not. Because if the Bitcoin can break the top of the correction based on daily chart, then we will see from there, we will see the continuation. But we cannot confirm with the XRP because the XRP is not following, I mean, the way it's moving is not sharp as the Bitcoin. All right. That's why we mentioned about the possibility of the flat. And right now we want to see whether this one can break the lowest price of this move or not. And if we move to forward chart, by the way, based on our analysis, when the price was within this move, I was thinking whether we can put these two in relative to each other for flat for one move up or not. That's why I mentioned if the price break this line, then mostly we cannot. And the price can retest the previous low. Almost is there. It haven't retest because this is where we're looking for. All right. Now, mostly we can expect for the price to drop, because all it depends on the Bitcoin whether it can break the top of the correction or not based on daily chart. And right now, whether to look for buy or sell, we cannot confirm, because mostly what I'm expecting, the price can drop. Okay, selling is not really good idea. Even if we move to forward chart, we see we have a divergence. If we put this low and relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Technically, when we see this kind of the move, we can look for the reversal, but still we are within down move unless we see some changes. And about the Bitcoin, we will need to see whether the Bitcoin can break the daily chart or not. If it's break, mostly we can expect the price to drop. If not, we can look for reversal. And right now we cannot confirm with that, because if we move to daily chart based on the Bitcoin, for Bitcoin chart, all right, this is within the another 1 or 2 days we can see the confirmation whether the price can break 40, because we're looking for see whether the price can break the 42 or not. If the price could broke, mostly for the XRP Bitcoin, it can drop, because I'm sure mostly it is better I say this way, mostly the Bitcoin is not going to follow, XRP is not going to follow Bitcoin as fast. If first the Bitcoin will increase, for then from there we can expect the XRP. That's why we can expect this one turn to a deeper move, but sell, it depends on the traders. Unless for the long time we don't see any movement in the XRP. But mostly for me, I will wait unless this one to drop. Anytime I see the reversal, then from there I will look for buy. Anyway, right now technically we should look for buy, but we cannot confirm with that, and we have to. I mean, the best things is we wait. We see what's the next move for the Bitcoin. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank.